Chairman, the sudden death of Dr. Williams is suspicious. Very, very suspicious. I strongly believe some of us here present might know something about it.
That's rubbish. That's absolute rubbish which is coming out of your mouth. Professor Tete, we are gathered here to deliberate on how we can give a decent and befitting burial to our dear departed. But here you are trying very hard to accuse others. Do you know the implications of your insinuations? Are you sick in the head? What?
Well, I'm also very suspicious of the circumstances surrounding Dr. Williams' death. And I suppose a thorough investigation should be carried out on it.
General Secretary Otabil, Professor Tete, why are you exposing your ignorance to such a high level? Why? Mere suspicion can never be used as evidence to prove the circumstances surrounding the death of Dr. Williams.
Hey, don't you people open your mouth to say things just like that? You should be very careful as to what you say. Mr. Chairman, I think that arrogant secretary of yours is looking for trouble. And I assure you, I'll give it to him plenty.
Asama, why are you so much concerned about this issue? Why? Do you know anything about his death? Or is your conscience haunting you?
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth there. Why don't you allow the authorities to do their work? What? I will deal with you. Take it from me. I will deal with you. When he wrote in no, that's it. No, that's
game is just a game. All it takes is the name.
Yes. Now they're going to say it.
This one clearly shows that a small rat doesn't play a ball game with a fierce lion like
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
And power play. Anything and everything for the
job. Thank you, Nana.
A job well done.
Yes. Oh, how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. Everything the name of politics. They play all kinds of dirty tricks.
Abigail. So, now that they are all off to a meeting and we have the whole mansion to ourselves, what are we waiting for?
They say the most passionate lovemaking is made under the moonlight. But I believe we can turn our moonlight to daylight. Yes.
Alright. Go upstairs.
Mr. Chairman, executive members of the party, delegates from the various constituencies, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great pleasure for me to be here today to address this very special gathering. I want to thank you all for electing me unopposed as the flag bearer of the I have been saying that our party is the party which represents the oppressed people's party, and of course this is the party that will cater for the poor people. Although from the very beginning we had problems, chaos, we are going to move forward. We have lost prominent members of this party. We have lost a devoted man, good man, like Dr. Williams. Let us honor the dead. Let us honor the dead by observing a 1 minute silence. May we all rise. May we all rise.
the souls of the departed ones perfectly rest. You may be seated. This is our great party, OPP. We are fearless. We are going to win these elections. We are going to win these elections. Yes, we shall win this election. Ladies and gentlemen, this great party is very, very sensitive to the plight and the needs of our people. Our party will lay down national policy, comprehensive policy for national development. We shall provide more health facilities, better road conditions, agriculture, more food for the people to eat. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I promise you that this great party, when voted into power, in 100 days' time, every citizen of this country will have a job to do. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, politics is about money. Politics is about money. I have the money. I have the money. And I am very influential. So at this point, I want to promise you. I want to make a pledge. The party activists, the propagandists, the veranda boys and girls, forget the women activists and organizers, the propaganda people, the food soldiers, all of them will need money to do their work, to put this great party onto the road of victory. I am pledging 300 billion election. We shall win the election. OPP! OPP! Hope! Jump! Welcome to Cuba!
To them it's just a game. Politics is the name.
Nana, thank you for joining us for this edition of Boiling Point.
Thank you.
And congratulations to you for winning your party's ticket to represent them in the next election.
Thank you.
Nana, we are aware that the late Dr. Williams was your opponent for the party's black belt. How do you feel about this day?
I would say that you have started this interview on a very, very sad note. Dr. Williams was my best friend. My bosom friend. Anything he knows comes to me. I feel down.
Hajimai.
His death is the most painful loss ever to have happened to me in my life. Those who knew him as a very devoted man to the party, a good man, brilliant, intelligent, and they also lost that brother. In fact, we've lost a very great man. This party has lost someone very deep to us.
Mama, he's crying. See, Mama, see,
Mr. Journalist, I'm very sorry. Would you please excuse me?
I'm sorry. But considering the fact that it was some people think you arranged for his death, so you could have an easier race.
Nobody can convince me that.
Absolutely not. That is
Dr. Williams.
How come people say things like that?
But for now, I don't think discrediting a presidential candidate will be in the interest of this party. It now behooves on us to rally behind him unto victory.
Who is going to benefit from his death? Is it not the present government? This present government is bent on eliminating prominent people in my party. And that is why I'm saying that they are the cause of Dr. Williams' death.
Some people think you are the biggest beneficiary of Dr. Williams' death because he was alive. You wouldn't have won the fight.
To me right now, call you back, huh?
You know, I said earlier on that Dr. Williams was my friend. Although my opponent, we shared the same ideologies. You see, but let me assure you, despite the fact that he was popular, I strongly believe that if he were to be alive, I would still have won this particular candidacy. So now what good plans can you have for the people of Ghana if they should vote you as the next president? Good. Very good. Because now let's get serious here.
You see, this present government is very, very insensitive to the plight of the people.
No, he has a chance.
Very, very insensitive.
He has a chance.
Oh yes, there's no doubt about it.
The economy is in shambles, in a very, very poor shape. Yes, there is no doubt about it. This present government has not got any comprehensive policy on national development.
Yes.
For instance, health.
Yes.
Health. Zero.
They say people don't go to the hospitals again.
Go to the hospitals. And what do you find there? What is happening at the hospitals? Huh? The bills. The bills are so exorbitant. The people can pay. No drugs for the people. Patients are sleeping on the floor. Pregnant.
Yes, that's good. That's good.
And you're saying what?
He's making a
Come
point.
to education. Recently, I traveled to the eastern part of this country. Just here.
Yeah.
Just here. And what did I see? School children under mango tree, sitting on cement block.
Yes.
Studying, even without having anything to write with. Even there. Just one village. Just one village.
That's good.
And West. What is happening? We need to change things
Yes.
in this country. I believe
Spoken word. Yeah.
This particular
Good.
government is full of criminals.
That's beautiful. I told you.
Change things.
That is why I said we should rally behind him. Forget about the past.
Look, what do they know? The present government is throwing dust into the people's eyes. They are throwing dust into the people's eyes, and this is a blatant lie. They are liars. They are liars. Go to the villages and see. Go to the villages and see. They are living in the same poor condition. Nothing has changed for them. And you are telling me that they are living good? Go and see. I am saying that this government must go. Because they have so far done very well in throwing that speed to our lives.
Very good. OPP!
Press People's Party.
OPP!
Press People's Party. We are for the hopeless and for the jobless.
Yes.
Good evening, Mrs. Ajimai.
Good evening.
I'm Steve, CID from the police headquarters.
Oh, I see.
Madam, I'm here to ask you some few questions about the death of Dr. Williams.
Please go ahead.
First, were you present when Dr. Williams was murdered that day?
Not at all. I was on business errand to Switzerland. In fact, I came back 2 days after the murder.
Is that all? And please, who is this man?
Tony, my bodyguard.
Mr. Tony, where were you two at that night?
Right here in this house with Nanajman.
And do you suspect someone?
Of course not. And why should I?
Alright. That's all I need from you.
I see.
Thank you, madam.
You are welcome.
In case of any information, this is my card.
Give it to my bodyguard.
You can give me a call. Please, I'm leaving.
Tony, see him off.
Prior to the death of Dr. Williams, were there any misunderstanding between the two of you?
Look, Mr. CID, what are you driving at? What do you mean by saying or asking if there was a misunderstanding between Dr. Williams and I? What has it got to do with his death? Dr. Williams was my opponent, fine. But we're all in the same party, sharing the same ideology. He wasn't my enemy. The death of Dr. Williams was orchestrated by the powers that be. Okay? They are doing these things just to assassinate my character and undermine my position in this society. But they can't get anywhere with that. That's all that they are doing to me.
All right, Nana. Thanks very much. That will be all for now.
Oh, Chief CID? Is that all?
Yes.
But I want you to do one thing for me. You people should start investigating those scrupulous people who call themselves honorable. Investigate them, because you see, most of them are crooks. Best still, some of them are murderers.
Alright, thank you, Nana. I won't waste much time. Off to leave.
Mr. Politician, do you really want to serve in the interest of the people?
I'm always running for a rubble. You're the fool, I'm a Debiana, my go. You younger, me, Dimisio. You younger, me, transit. Bontis will never try was that. Minion never of you, never.
It's just like you.
I walk away, I know everyone to. I will not cross out. I'm on quantum panels, my brother. Major deal. It's you must send me a. Now me catch you now. Now we need some ready bedroom and I have on it. People no nipanyo. Once on the power, Java bravo. What is myself no my crown so. Now no different from the sense of Bubo. One miss up into what I am from so. You will me younger. Me younger, I ever go. You will me younger. Me younger than the near Drupa. And you will be arguing home. Only how I am from so. I never say. On our phone, you never power. If one was empty, one way I'll bet on a body in there. People no cross, no cross, our bravo. No cross, and I can never be any. You're young, I'm always running for our bravo. You're the fool, I'm at the piano, my echo. You younger, me, Dimisuyo. You younger, me translate me home. And paint them what time. Not when the brothers and your jobs are busy form.
I'm keeping this pregnancy. I'm old enough to have a baby.
Abigail, why are you doing this to me? You know your father will be mad at me, and he would definitely kick me out of the job.
Tony, he won't do anything. I believe he's going to agree. But then if he doesn't, we'll run away and get married.
Come on, sweetheart. I don't buy this idea. Listen. Please, terminate this pregnancy.
That is the main reason why I want to keep it.
But you know that father of yours is crazy.
Tony, why do you refer to my father as such?
I'm sorry, but your father is capable of everything.
Listen, if you can't tell him, I'll tell him myself.
Oh, you don't understand, do you?
Tony, leave everything to me. I know how to handle him. Okay? Just leave everything to me. Tony, you don't love me.
I do. But we need some time. We need some time to make sure that we put things right.
Abigail. Abby, is it true that you are pregnant?
Hey, is your father not talking to you? Will you open that mouth of yours and talk?
Look, don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. Because if you do, I'll give you a dirty slap you'll never forget in your life.
Honey, you don't have to use force to extract certain information from a girl.
Please shut up. Shut up. You are the cause of all these foolishness.
Who, me?
And now you, for the last time I'm asking you, are you pregnant?
Talk! Abigail.
Yes. Pregnant? You? Pregnant? Hey! Hey! Oh. Abigail, how could you do this to me? How could you do this to me, your father? Who is responsible
responsible for this pregnancy? I said, who is responsible for this pregnancy? Tell me. Abigail. Abby. Hey, will you talk? Who? Abigail.
Hey, Abby, won't you talk?
It's
who?
It's Tony.
Who is Tony?
Tony.
Speak!
What? What?
God have mercy.
You what?
I swear, I can. Yes, I can explain.
I will kill you. I will kill you.
So you see what you've done.
Hey!
Abigail. All the money has been thrown into the drain. Abigail. So, dedication that we gave you. Come on, bodyguard. Come on, bodyguard. Nana, please don't touch me again. Nana. Come on, bodyguard.
Abigail, you see?
Your father is going too far. Your father is going too far. Do you know what it means to attack me? Huh? I can't take that bullshit again.
Tony, please don't talk like that.
I shouldn't talk like what? I shouldn't talk like what? Look, if I had not run away from that house, he might have shot me to death. Is it a crime? Tell me, is it a crime? Is it a crime to impregnate you?
Tony, calm down. I'm on your side. I know he wouldn't harm you.
You better do. You better do. You better talk to him before I prepare for war. Because I can't take this nonsense anymore. Do you hear that?
Tony, you can't leave me. Tony.
Have you read this caption this morning? Have a look.
Yes, sir. I think we should try to get every information out of this person. I believe there's an iota of truth in what is being said against Nana.
The problem is, the person remains anonymous and there's no number to contact him. So what I want you to do is go back to Dr. Williams' office and try to have an interview with anybody that you see. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We also, with this, I think we can get a clue.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
But, so I'll be back.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Look at what is written in this paper. This news is in a very bad taste. Now, what do you have to say about all these allegations?
Well, I'm very happy you said allegation. I am of the conviction that our opponents are behind this.
Exactly so. You're right.
Yes. You see, they are trying their best to discredit me and our party.
That's true.
And that is it.
Mr. Chairman, I think that Nana is right.
See, we shouldn't forget the fact that this government has put in place a propaganda machinery to paint our flag bearer black.
This is true.
So what we should do is to strategize to counter them.
Good.
Yes, that's all right.
Good.
That is all right.
A very good suggestion.
I think you've spoken well.
Politics is the
Let us
name.
not forget that the official political campaign will soon start, and we must be ready for such things.
Yes. Well spoken.
Yes. Yes.
It's about
Yes. Absolutely.
lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics.
I was very busy in the office and I didn't want anyone to see me coming in here. Now, what is it? What is it?
The problem is I'm curious. It's all over the place. But who do you think is responsible for the information on the leakage about, the death of Dr. Williams? I've been thinking about it, and I suspect that it must be Dr. Williams' wife who wants to play this revenge game. What do you think?
I don't think so. I don't think so. I know that woman very well. She's as powerless as a carcass. I strongly believe it's Tony, my chief bodyguard. Yes.
Tony?
Yes, Tony.
How does Tony come into this?
Tony? That boy Tony? Tony has impregnated my daughter, Abigail.
What? Yes. And you know what? When I wanted to discipline him, he ran away. I asked my guys to chase him. He left. He has since not reported for work.
Someone, he must be the one. See, he must be the one.
So, Nana, what will be your next line of action?
Good question, Asamoah. Good question. Asamoah, Tony.
No, Nana. Eliminating Tony will complicate issues. My humble suggestion, Nana, will be that you allow him to marry her. That way, he will keep his mouth shut.
Tony, my chief bodyguard, marry my daughter, Abigail.
Abigail. Over my dead body. I must eliminate that boy.
Asamoah, I don't have time to waste. Huh?
Daddy, I want to marry Tony. I love him.
Abigail, I said you cannot marry Tony. This cheap bodyguard, you want Tony to father my grandchildren?
Daddy, why? Do you want to be a father to me and a grandfather to my children?
Abigail, you cannot marry Tony, and that is it.
Daddy, I swear to God, if you don't allow me to marry Tony, I'll tell mommy you've been sleeping with me. Yes, in fact, I'll talk to the press.
Abigail, are you trying to blackmail me?
Are you blackmailing me? Abigail! Are you trying to blackmail me? Your darling father? My darling daughter?
Something that is bothering me, and I want to ask you about it. Is it true that you know something about Dr. Williams' death? Say, do you know something about Dr. Williams' death?
Could you be asking me that silly question at this time of the night? Huh? Who told you that?
Nobody. But you see, the rumor going around is too much. You know, honey, I'm your wife. And I don't think you should hide any crucial information from me. See? Please, tell me, is it true? Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you tell me, please?
You did. I killed him.
Oh my God, you killed him. Why? Oh my God.
I killed him.
Why did you kill him? You killed Dr. Williams.
I did it. I killed him. Don't you want to be the first lady anymore? I did it for us, you know.
It's okay. Control yourself. It's okay. I think that was the best thing you did. But please, control yourself so that nobody knows about it. I think we are in this together. So, it's okay.
I want you to do something for me.
What?
I want you to tell Abigail to convince Tony not to go to the police or talk to the journalists. You know, Tony has been with us, working for us for a very long time. And he seems to know too much. He might spill the bean if he gets the chance. Please.
Okay. Talk to him.
Honey.
I'll do that. It's okay. It's okay, I'll do that. Just control yourself so that nobody knows about it.
Then there's one thing I want to tell you.
What?
Tell Abigail were to marry Tony, I won't stand in their way anymore.
Okay.
God bless.
It's okay. Stop crying. Stop it.
Please, my daughter, try to convince Tony to let bygones be bygones. Your daddy has decided to smoke the peace pipe with him.
What do you expect me to do, Mom? Daddy should go and talk to him, not me. Is he not the one who threatened to kill him?
I know. But your daddy has regretted every action that you took. My daughter, think about our political ambition, please. Your father becoming the president, I, the first lady, and you, the first daughter. My daughter, don't let us throw this into the gutters. Huh? We are almost there. We are. Please. Convince Tony, okay? Please. Please listen to me and convince him. Please. Oh. My daughter, please. Oh, we are almost there. Don't let us lose this opportunity, okay? Talk to him. Please talk to him. Oh, please. Talk to him for me, please. Okay. For the sake of Africa, let us throw this opportunity to the gutter. Thank you. I'll talk to him.
Daddy has finally agreed for us to get married.
Are you stupid? Grow up! Grow up! Why has your father suddenly changed his mind? It is a trick just to get at me.
No, listen, he said he's sorry. And for once, I believe him.
Oh.
shut up! Abigail, look, I know your father more than you do. And I'm telling you, this is nothing more than a trick to get at me.
I also know my daddy very well. I know when he's serious and when he's kidding.
Are you sure?
Trust me. Trust me, I'm serious. We're gonna get married. Again. We're gonna get married. Tell me. How do you want the wedding to be? Okay. I want it to be a talking town. Listen, we're gonna do it at we're going to do it at the poolside. We're gonna do it big. Can invite anybody. Okay. Come on. Give us a smile. Give us a smile.
Tony, I want you to forgive me for everything I've done to you. Yes. In fact, I have reached a point in life that there are decisions I have to make. But Tony, I love you so much. And Abigail, I love you too so much. I have reached a turning point in my life. This house is yours. You have worked for me for several years. This is your home. This is your home. And you know what? I am going to allow you to marry Abigail. Yes. Get up. Get up. How you doing with me?
I'm good with you. I'm surprised.
Bring your hands. On behalf of my wife, I am giving Abigail to you for marriage. May the good Lord bless you abundantly. I can have grandchildren. Huh? I want you to marry.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
This is OBE News at 8. In this edition, 15 American soldiers killed in ambush south of Baghdad. Nana Pizzat must visit his family in a reported armed attack by unknown gunmen. Now the news in detail. First, the local news. There are reports that the house of the presidential candidate of OPP, Nana Pizzat, is under armed attack. Further reports also indicate that some gunfire was heard from the house and some people appeared to have lost their lives. Our reporter on the scene is River Kuma.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Nana, take it easy. Chief, easy. Please calm down. Your condition is stable now. I don't want you to worsen your condition, right? So please calm down. Nana, take it easy.
Doctor,
it's alright. It's alright.
Doctor.
Yes.
It's my family.
Nana, you see, none of them survived. I'm sorry. Please calm down. Please calm down, Nana. Don't worsen your condition, please. Nana, please, it's okay. Your condition is stable now. Please don't worsen it, please. Nana, I say take it easy. As I said, the condition is stable. So
Nana, who do you suspect to have carried out this attack on you and your family?
Who else? Who else? The government, of course. This government, of course. You see, they have plans, strategically planning to disintegrate our party. To intimidate us. But they lie. They will never ever succeed. You see? They will never succeed.
Nana, do you think the death of Dr. Williams was also planned by somebody?
Definitely. Definitely. You see, this government is full of crooks. Crooks. And they will go every length to win these elections. Yes. They will go every length to win this election. You see, that is why I strongly believe it is imperative on the part of you journalists to investigate these murders so that we can expose this government.
Nana,
yes.
Do you have any evidence to prove these accusations that you're making?
Mr. Journalist. Evidence? It is crystal clear that this government has a hand in these murders. You see, 5 good people from our party have mysteriously died. And for 5 months now, this government hasn't yet done anything about it. And you are asking me evidence? No. You see, it's clear that the government has a hand in it. Yes.
After these violent threats and acts of violence against you and your entire family, are you still planning to stand as the presidential candidate for the Oppressed People's Party?
Of course. Of course. I am still standing. You see,
they play.
I am not afraid to die. Never. I'm not afraid to die. I will fight with all my might. I will fight with all my breath to liberate the good people of this country. You see, they want to kill me. They can go ahead and kill me. And if even I die and my party should win this election, the next government will institute inquiries to investigate these murders. You understand?
Nana, some people are of the view that you shot your wife, yes, shot your daughter, and shot your own bodyguard, Tony Pablo. And after these incidents, you shot yourself in the arm. How far true are these rumors, Nana?
My wife. My wife. The most lovely woman I'd ever set my eyes on in my life. My daughter. Precious daughter. My darling daughter. Tony Pablo, he was the longest serving employee in my... How could I have killed such good people? People who were always around me. Blood. That's most ridiculous. Like I said, this is an obnoxious manipulation on the part of this government. A propaganda to throw dust into the people's eye. But it will never work. Because we, as democratic as we are good people. And the truth will come out one day. You understand? As for shooting my arm, it's a lie. It's a lie.
I am a right-handed person. How could I have used my left hand to shoot myself? No, it's impossible.
They will never ever succeed. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for getting up for this mistake. Tony Pablo has come back to normalcy after spending 4 months in coma. A doctor at the National Teaching Hospital told OMABOE today that Tony is responding to treatment and chances of survival are very high. Tony Pablo, the 90-month old man, was considered dead following an attack at the National family house recently.
You don't have to be impulsive.
Tony Pablo alive? What? Damn! Tony Pablo alive?
Family Tree Entertainment. I've been free. A1. John T. Namukasa Meko. Anyanko. Metete Kwai Chaya.
Feel some pain, sir? Don't worry, be patient, be patient. He's very big.
Get!
Sure, give him one.
Are you alright?
They want to kill me. They want to kill me.
They want to kill you. Who wants to kill you and why?
They want to kill me. They want to kill me.
Who wants to kill you and why? Please talk to us. Can you tell us something?
It's a long story. Please. They tried to secure my safety. I'm not safe here. Please, get me out.
Okay, don't worry.
Get me out. I'm not safe here.
Alright.
Get me out.
Okay, don't worry. We'll get you out of here.
just want to give you a piece of advice. Move at on as soon as possible. You should carry pen knife. This battle is not meant for women. Look, next time I meet you, when you pray Christ my children, stop fighting! What is he?
Don't have to be impulsive. Stay calm. Adapt or die! Family Tree Entertainment. I can think. John G. I'm passing the call. And I'm going to tell my check. I'm passing the call. To tell my check. I'm passing the call. And I'm going to tell my check. I'm passing the call. To tell my check. What can you my first and I'm a man. That was the young bread to me. Now, now to that champion. Watch it down. So the free up
You have to take a drug this morning. Oh, I'm getting late. You alright?
Oh. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You know, I want to thank you for saving my life and taking care of me.
You're welcome.
And I appreciate everything that you've done for me. Thanks.
Never mind. I'm a little confused. I want to know something. Why would somebody want to kill you? Why?
It's a long story.
Long story.
Is who?
It's Kenny.
So, that is how it all started. And the only thing that can save my life now is the tape.
I'm so sorry. But we have to report this to the police.
Remember where you put it there.
Shit.
Tony, you can't do this thing. It's serious. Oh my God, Tony, we have to get out of here, you know it, huh?
No, just 1 minute. Just a minute. I must get this thing.
And we can't leave this thing until you know it. Let's look for it wherever you found it. My let's get out of it.
Politics is the name. They play.
You know, I can feel that the presidency all around me. Look, I am in the presence of His Excellency Nana Ajimai, the President of the Republic. I can already feel that air of presidency around me. I can feel it. Power is sweet. Oh my, those idiots. If I put them into power, none of them will be a minister. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. As someone, you have made me so happy. And of course, me, as the Vice President. You're definitely going to be. That reminds me about that foolish boy, Tony. What's the latest development? Tony? Yes. Oh, Tony. Yeah. He's a little boy. I'm the godfather. Yeah. He can play games with me. He's too small to kick against the godfather. Tony. I hired a professional assassin from Cuba. Oh yeah? Very good man.
We really wanna know.
Tony. That means Tony.
Which one is it?
Oh man! The same.
The same. One day, your sins will be found at one by one.
Bets to hide is a game for the others. Huh?
Nanajima, you are under arrest for killing Dr. Williams Abubakar, your wife and your daughter. What? And you are also under arrest for impeachment. We have the evidence. What? Take it away. What?
the presidential candidate for the party of people. Presidential candidate. No one. I say, put it down. We are presidential material. And so what? But when we come into power, you will suffer. Take them away. Move. Move yourself, please. Move yourself. Move there. My friend. Move there. I said, move yourself. Move yourself. Move yourself. And you are not going to the Lord. Say, move. Take yourself there.
To them it's just a game. Politics is the name. They play hard and they play it bad. It's about money. Ooh, lots and lots of money. It's about power and power play. Oh, they'll do anything and everything for their quest for power, no matter what it takes or how high the stakes. It's a dirty game. Dirty game they're playing. Dirty game they're playing. In the name of politics, they play all kinds of